package, and there isn't. And you're looking at this going like, what in the name? What in tarnation is that? And what it is something super cool. And anyway, it's something super cool. Check it out. It's an Oreo, but don't eat it. It's made out of a very cool rubber, I guess. What is it for? I'm so glad you asked, and I'm so glad you put that in the comments that I'll never see. But this is cool. Look at this. I mean, looks very, very much like your standard Oreo. But what it does is, it is a special container, and it's nice that it comes with this, so you can hook it onto your belt or whatever awesome thing.
Likey.